Hello kids. Hi to everyone. I am in my father's home and now we are going to see some of the vegetables that is growing from its plant. Shall we go and see? Sindhu, shall we go and see? Yeah, we will go and see. Hello Sindhu. What is this plant? What is this plant? This is Brinjal plant. See? This is Brinjal, no? See here? What is the color of this Brinjal? What is the color of this Brinjal? Violet color. Wow, looking very nice. You want it? You want it? It's so tall. You want to pluck it? Okay, later on we will pluck it and we will make brinjal gravy. Okay, and see here, it is a flower of the brinjal plant. It's a flower. Are you able to see? Sindhu, see here, this beautiful flower. Is it no? Violet color, beautiful flower. Yeah, this is violet color, beautiful flower. This one will turn into vegetable. See, so many brinjals are there. So, see there. See here. Here one is brinjal. Yeah, it's very nice to see naturally all the brinjals in the plant itself. So, it's good for health. We can harvest and we can make brinjal gravy nicely and we can mix it and eat in the rice. Okay, we will go to the next plant. We came to one more plant. This is a creeper, not a plant. This is a creeper. This is creeper, yeah. What is this one? Bitter gourd, pavakai. This bitter gourd is very good for health. It is a medicinal, it has some medicinal value also. It is little bitter, even though it has good benefits to our health. Children should not avoid eating this one. We can make a gravy, sabji, some sambar like that, and we can have this one nicely. This leaves also, leaves of this bitter gourd is also having some medicinal values. So please don't avoid eating this bitter gourd. Thank you. Hello, I'm showing you one more plant. See this? What is this one, Sindhu? This one is milagai. Milagai. Yeah. Green chilli and red chilli also there. It's so hot. It's so hot when we eat. We used it in all gravy and sabji items. And this red chilli, if we put it in the sunlight for few days, it will become dry red chilli. We store it in the home and we can use it for future purpose. Hello, Sindhu. Now we come to the place where the creepers were growing long. This one is pumpkin creepers. You know the pumpkin vegetable? You know the pumpkin vegetable? It is very sweet to eat and we can make sabji with that one, and also we can make sweet halwa. Everybody will like halwa, no? You like halwa, no? Yeah, this is that plant. I didn't find any vegetable here of pumpkin. I am showing the flower. This is the flower of the pumpkin which will turn into vegetable later. So, these are all the vegetables I am finding in my father's home, which is grown naturally and it is very beautiful to see. Come on, I am searching for some other plant. Hello. was showing you one more creeper vegetable, that is rich gourd. See this one? This is the rich gourd. It's a creeper variety. We can cook this one and we can make sabji also with this one and we can eat. Hi, Sendur, see here. See here, Sendur, what is this one? Idenadu? Vendaka. Idenadu? Vendaka, lady's finger. Most children like to eat lady's finger. All children always like to eat lady's finger. This is a plant variety. And see here, it's a green in color. Looking very nice. Looking fresh. We can cut this vegetable and we can make the sabji or gravy and have nicely. You're hungry. We can pluck and eat. Okay, let's go.